In the poset series, I already discussed what is poset, what is total order set, how to draw hash diagram, how to find maximal element, minimal element, greatest element, least element, upper bound, lower bound, greatest lower bound and least upper bound. Today I will discuss lattice. A poset is called lattice if for every pair of element we can find the greatest lower bound and least upper bound. If we are able to find GLB and LUB for every pair of element, then that poset is a lattice. Let's see one example. Example 18. Determine whether the posets represented by each of the hash diagram in figure are lattice. We have some hash diagram and we need to check which one is lattice or which one is not. In question, it may be given hash diagram or a poset is given. You need to identify whether that poset or hash diagram is a lattice. Now in figure A, C and D are incomparable. For C and D, its greatest lower bound is B and least upper bound is E. You can take any other element which are comparable. For every comparable element, we can find the greatest lower bound and least upper bound. Like for AB, its greatest lower bound will be A and least upper bound will be B. As for every pair, we are able to find GLB and LUB, hence it's a lattice. Now in figure C for B and D, its least upper bound will be H and greatest lower bound will be A. For E and G, its least upper bound will be H and greatest lower bound is A. Here G are common, D are common, G and D are repeated. As we are able to find GLB and LUB for every pair. For comparable, it's obvious we can find the GLB and LUB. Just check the incomparable pair. If we can find the GLB and LUB for every incomparable pair, then it's a lattice. So we found A hash diagram and C hash diagram is lattice. Now check B. For B and C, its upper bound are D, E, F. But which one is least upper bound? We cannot find least upper bound for B and C. Its greatest lower bound is A. Even for D and E, its least upper bound is F, but its lower bound will be B, C, A. As we are not able to find GLB and LUB for every pair, hence this B hash diagram is not a lattice. So we found A and C are lattice while B is not a lattice. Next example 19. Is the poset Z plus division a lattice? It's about division. Yes, it's a lattice. So for every pair of element, its least upper bound will be the least common multiple and greatest lower bound will be the greatest common divisor. As for every two elements, every two number, we can find the least common multiple and greatest common divisor, hence it is a lattice. Suppose you will take 3 and 5. For 3 and 5, its greatest lower bound will be 1 and its least upper bound will be 15. Next example 20. Determine whether the poset 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relation is division and 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 relation is division are lattice. So here hash diagram is not given, just poset is given. I will prefer to draw the hash diagram for better clarity. Now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is divisible by 2, 1 is divisible by 3, 4 is divisible by 2, 1 is divisible by 5. So this is the hash diagram. Now for 2 and 3, we cannot find the least upper bound. Greatest lower bound is 1, but we cannot find the least upper bound. Even for 3 and 5, we cannot find the least upper bound. Hence, it's not a lattice. Now draw the hash diagram for the second poset. 1 is divisible by 2, 2 is divisible by 4, 4 is divisible by 8, 8 is divisible by 16. It's a chain, or you can say it's a total order set. When the poset is a total order set or chain, it's a lattice. Just remember, if a poset is total order set, then it must be a lattice. Here it's a lattice. You can take any two element. You can find the GLB and LUB. Just take 2 and 4. 4 is the least upper bound and 2 is the greatest lower bound. 2 and 16. 16 is the least upper bound and 2 is the greatest lower bound. Hence, the first pose set is not a lattice while the second pose set is a lattice. Next, example 21. Determine whether P of A subset is a lattice where S is a set. It's about subset and we need to check whether this relation is a lattice or not. Let's take S equals to A, B, C, just 3 elements. Now its Hess diagram will be phi. Phi is subset of A, B and C. Then A is subset of AB, B is subset of AB. Then A is subset of AC, C is subset of AC. Then B is subset of BC, C is subset of BC. Then A, B, C. So all AB, AC, BC are subset of ABC. Now if you want to check least upper bound of A and B, it will be AB and greatest lower bound will be phi. So its least upper bound will be the A union B and greatest lower bound will be A intersection B. Suppose we want to check B and C. Its least upper bound will be BC and greatest lower bound will be phi. Now suppose you want to check AB and BC. Its least upper bound will be ABC. We can say union of these two. And its greatest lower bound will be B, intersection of these two. So for every subset, we can find the GLB and LUB. So LUB will be A union B and GLB will be A intersection B. Hence, the subset pose set is a lattice. So lattice can be described using two binary operation called join and mate. Join and mate are same as least upper bound and greatest lower bound. A join or sum is the least upper bound, sometimes called as supremum or sub, and the mate or product of two elements is the greatest lower bound, sometimes called as infimum or inf. Now in this symbol for join, we can write the or symbol. For mate, we can write the and symbol. Just like this, here least upper bound. Least upper bound is or and the greatest lower bound is and. Here mate or GLB is and, join or LUB is the or symbol. So or symbol is for join or least upper bound and mate symbol is for and or the greatest lower bound. Let's see another example, example 22. Let's determine if the following pose set are lattice using the Hess diagram. So two Hess diagram is given. We need to check which one is lattice and which one is not. Now first one is lattice. As for every incomparable pair, we can find the GLB, LUB, or we can say join and mate. Now for E and D, for E and D, its join will be G and its mate will be B. For D and F, its join will be G and its mate will be C. Now for B and C, its least upper bound will be D and its greatest lower bound will be A. As for every pair, we can find the GLB, LUB or mate and join, hence it's a lattice. Now check the second figure. For D and F, its mate. Mate is C, but we cannot find its join. They are not joining. For E and D, we cannot find its join. We can find its mate. Its mate is B. As for every pair, we are not able to find both join and mate. Hence, it's not a lattice. So we found first Hess diagram is a lattice while second Hess diagram is not a lattice. In today's lecture, I discussed what is lattice with some examples. If in a pose set for every pair of element we can find the join and mate, then it's a lattice. If you cannot find join and mate for every pair, then it's not a lattice. In next lecture, I will discuss different types of lattice. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.